Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, which name is Analytics Pro. And here under this playlist guys, we are going to cover only DAX differences in detail, which are majorly asked in an interviews. In the previous tutorial guys, we have studied about the difference of union, intersect and accept. I hope now you guys are clear with the difference of union, intersect and accept. And in today's tutorial guys, we will talk about one more DAX difference between value versus values. So let's first talk about the syntax. Under value function guys, we can see we have just only one parameter, which is text. So it converts a text string that represent a number to number. Basically guys, value function converts text to number. And this values function guys, we have already covered in the previous tutorials. This function returns distinct values after removing duplicates value. And the syntax is table name or column name. And now let's move towards the Power BI desktop screen and understand the difference with practical. So here we have entered in Power BI desktop screen. And now let's go to this table view. So here we have selected a cost column. And now guys, look at the data type of this cost column, which is text. Although you guys can change the data type from here, let's say whole number. So this is the one way guys, which you can easily change the data type. So here we guys are covering the difference of value versus values. So what I will do, let me again change the data type from whole number to text. And now guys, with the help of value function, I will change this data type from text to whole number, or you can say the decimal number. So what I will do, I will simply take new column from here. And now guys, I will renaming the column name as, let's say, value. And now I will write my DAX function, which is value. So here we have just only one parameter, which is text. So I am taking this cost column as a text parameter. So I will simply select this column, which is cost, which is from sales fact table, and close the bracket and hit enter. So see guys, now you can see the data type has changed. It convert into the decimal number. So in this way guys, you guys can use this value DAX function to change any text data type into the numbers. And now guys, let's talk about values DAX function, which we have already covered in the previous tutorial. So as we already know guys, values is a table manipulation function. So if I try to apply values function here under this calculated column, so obviously guys, it returns an error. So let's check, can we apply the values function here or not? So here I am writing values. And now I will write my DAX function, which is values. And let's suppose guys, I want to find the distinct region. So what I will do, let me select the column name, which is regions, and let me close the bracket and hit enter. So see guys, it's returning us an error. A table of multiple values was supplied where a single value was expected. So table manipulation function guys, we can't apply in measure as well as in columns. But with the help of SUMX or any iterator function guys, we can use table manipulation function under the table parameters. I hope now you guys are clear with this thing. So now what I'll do, let me delete this column from here, do right click and delete it. And the same function I will apply here under this new table. So let me click here on this new table. So now let me rename the DAX function name as values underscore regions. And here I will use my DAX function, which is values. And under table name or column name guys, I will simply pass the parameter, which is regions. And let me close the bracket and hit enter. So see guys, here we guys can see the distinct region, which is from the sales fact table. So in this way guys, you guys can use this values function. And now guys, let's talk about one more scenario. So what I will do guys, now let me remove this region column from here, and let's take another parameter. So this time guys, what I will do, instead of taking any column name, I will take the entire table name, which is sales fact. And now let me close the bracket and hit enter, and let's see what happened. So guys, here you guys can see values function returning a duplicate table, which is sales fact. So if you take any table parameter here under this values function guys, it returning a duplicate table. And now guys, let's talk about the definition and its differences. So values function, it converts a text string that represent a number to number. So basically guys, if you want to convert text to string, you can use value function, which is not a table manipulation. That's a normal text function. And if you talk about the values function guys, so as we already seen, it returns distinct values after removing the duplicates value. So I hope now you guys are clear with the difference of value versus values. So for such kind of detailed learning guys, stay connected with us and kindly support this channel. And those who guys are new to this channel, kindly hit the like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press this bell icon guys, else you will miss an update. And those who wants to learn Power BI or SQL from scratch, so you guys can follow this free YouTube channel, which name is Analytics Pro. And if you scroll it down guys, So here you guys can see we have a full course Power BI playlist where I have explained each and every concept about Power BI in detail. And if you click here on this playlist button guys, so you guys will get to see multiple playlists are here. This is the Power BI full course playlist and these are the advanced concepts of Power BI where you guys can take the knowledge of advanced concepts of Power BI. And we have this Power BI with SQL playlist where you guys can learn all the concepts of SQL from scratch. So you guys can start your SQL journey with this free YouTube channel. And along with that guys, we have this visualization playlist and we have this DAX expression playlist where we have covered most of the DAX functions from scratch which are majorly used in your projects. And here under this playlist, I am also trying to cover all the differences of DAX functions which is majorly asked in an interviews. And very soon guys, I will add some more playlists so that you guys can take better understanding of the analytical skills. And for the job seekers guys, we have this free Telegram group where I'm keep posting latest Power BI jobs opening as well as you will also find some latest interview question and answers which recently asked by an interviewer. So you don't need to pay anything to anyone. But those who are looking only live sessions, so we guys also conduct live training and sessions where we prepare candidates from scratch till intermediate level with some scenarios, real-time projects, assignments, notes and so on. And we also provide placement assistance with the help of WhatsApp group where you will get to see some HR emails, contact number and so on. And you guys can also follow us on Insta as well as Facebook. So all the links I will share under the description box. You guys can follow us there. So for free learners guys, you guys can follow this Analytics Pro, and for the live training and sessions, you guys can connect me any of the platform. Thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much.